guided practice. Solve the problem any way you choose. Use drawings and equations to help. Lakota has 11 fewer magnets than Jeffrey. Lakota has 25 magnets. How many magnets does Jeffrey have? Question mark. So this equation wants to know how many magnets Jeffrey have. We already have our board diagram created for us and the equation is here already. So it says use any method. I am going to use the place value method to solve this problem. So if you have a place value chart, you can use it. If not, I'm going to draw it right here. Make sure you show all your working, okay? Right there. T for tens and O for ones. I'm going to group the tens and the ones. So I'm going to group the 25 first. 25 plus 11. I'm going to draw a line there. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's 3 tenths. I'm going to put a 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. I'm going to write the 6 right underneath the 1 because it's in the 1 place. The next thing I'm going to do is add. 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 6 is 6. So the answer is 36. 36 magnets.